Hello viewers, hope you all are doing well. So our today topic is YouTube live feature to use. So let's get started. Now that you know how to start a live stream on YouTube, let's talk about some features and YouTube tools you can use to enhance, promote, analyze and monetize your live stream effectively. So number 1 is cross channel redirect. Number 2 is go live together. Number 3 is create clips. Number 4 is track your live stream metrics. Number 5 premiere a new video. Number 6 turn on live stream DVR. Number 7 show a trailer. Number 8 monetize your live stream. And at last number 9 is manage live chat and captions. So hope you all will clearly understand about YouTube live feature to use. So like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.